Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this one, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to add hyperlinks in a PowerPoint presentation so you can navigate from slide to slide. So I've got this PowerPoint presentation open up here. This is the title slide, so when I click on this go to slide 2, it will automatically go to this slide, which is slide 2. And obviously when I read slide 2, when I click this link, it will go to slide 3, so on and so forth, slide 4, so on and so forth, slide 5, and this one, it should go back. When I click on this link, go back to the first slide. So these hyperlinks only work when you're in slideshow mode. So if I click on slideshow mode, if I click on that, then it will obviously go on to the next slide, so on and so forth. So at the moment, they're not hyperlinks. At the moment, they're normal text. So to convert these into hyperlinks, what I need to do, select the slide you want to add the hyperlink to. Then here, select the text you want to convert into a hyperlink. Right click and click on link here. So click on link, and then it will bring up this insert hyperlink pop-up box. There's a few options you can select here. So you can hyperlink it to an existing file or a web page, to a specific place in the document. So that's what I'm going to do in this video, to create a new document page or link it to an email address. So I want to do the second option here, and then I want to choose which slide I want it to go to. So in this case, I want it to go to slide 2, so I choose slide 2 there. Click on OK, and what it will do, it will change the color to obviously highlight that it's now a hyperlink, and it will put this annoying underline feature here, which I will show you later on how to remove, but it's quite an annoying thing to do, quite an annoying process. So first and foremost, let me test this hyperlink to see if it's worked. So you can either, there's a couple of ways to go to slideshow mode. So the first way to do it is go to slideshow here and choose where you want the slideshow mode to begin from. So from beginning here or from the current slide here. So I could choose current slide, or from beginning I'll choose current slide because that's the slide we're on. And now you can see this is now a hyperlink and the color is orange. Click on this. There you go, it'll go automatically to that slide. Let me click on escape and go back to that slide. Actually go to slide 2. Now we add a hyperlink here. Right click link. Choose the slide you want it to go to. You want to choose slide 3 here. Let me go through this process very quickly. Like this, and this one goes back to the title slide, which is the title slide there, which I've already named. So click on that. So now when I navigate through this slideshow, click on slide 3, yeah, slide 4, slide 5, title slide, and it'll go back to the beginning. We notice now the color of the hyperlinks changed from orange to red. So now these hyperlinks have already been followed. So what I did earlier on, I changed the color of the hyperlink. So the initial color was orange. Once I followed that hyperlink, it changed the color to red. And I'll show you now how to change the colors of your hyperlink. So go back into design mode. In the design tab at the top, click on that. Go across to the right side. Here under variants, click on this arrow here, the more arrow, and go down to colors here. Now under colors, scroll down to the bottom where you got customize colors here. Click on customize colors. Now we're going to customize the colors of here in this pop-up box of both the hyperlink and the followed hyperlink here. Remember, the initial color of the hyperlink was orange. When I followed that hyperlink, the color changed to red, as per these two colors here. So for example, to change the colors to whatever color you want it to be, you can choose any color. So let's change the color now to green of my hyperlink, and then the followed hyperlink, I want to keep it the same color. So I want that also to be green. Click on save. I want to test this. Click on another way to go to slideshow mode. Go bottom right hand corner here. Click on that slideshow mode button here, icon. Click on that. Now the hyperlink should be green throughout your presentation, as you can see. So remember, let me click on escape now. To do this, go to design, go to the right side, under variants, click on the more arrow here, go to colors, go down to customize colors, and then change the color of both the hyperlink and the followed hyperlink if you want to do that. So again, one more time, let me change it this time to yellow. Let me change the followed hyperlink to that color. Click on save and click on F5 to go to slideshow mode. And notice my followed hyperlinks now are a different color. Can you see that? Now, another thing I was asked is how to remove the underline from my hyperlink. Now, this is a hyperlink. I want to remove the underline from this hyperlink. This is an annoying thing now. So I'm going to show you something, and I'm going to show you a way to do this, but it is quite long-winded to remove this hyperlink. So what I'm going to do, remove the hyperlink color here, right click, remove link, so it goes back to black. Go to insert here at the top in the ribbon, go across to shapes, and I'm going to choose a rectangle here. I'm going to draw over the link, my old link, with that rectangle like that. Can you see? Now under the shape format option at the top, shape fill, I'm going to change to no fill. Shape outline, I'm going to change to no outline there as well. However, I can still see my rectangle there. What I'm going to do now is right click on that shape, go to link. So my link, my shape's been highlighted, not my text. Yeah, my shape's been highlighted. Well, let me choose the shape again. There's my rectangle shape. Right click the shape and go to link. Now in this insert hyperlink pop-up box here, choose the second option, and I'll choose the slide I want that hyperlink to go to. So slide 2 this time, like that. There you go. Now I'll click on the F5 slideshow mode. Now this slide, click on it, it should be a hyperlink. So that's a quick and easy way showing you how to add a hyperlink, how to remove the underline of the hyperlink, and how to change the colors of the hyperlink as well. Remember, now because that rectangle's over the text, remove that rectangle to the side. You can change the color of that text itself. Now highlight it, choose the color here, and you can choose it to a different color now if you want. Now you can move that rectangle over it, so it obviously has the rectangle, it has the link over the text. So when you go back to slideshow mode, you can obviously customize it as whatever you want it to customize it to. Click on it, and now it goes to slide 3. You'll need to do the same for the hyperlink on the slide 2 here, sorry. You'll need to add the rectangle again, remove the link from the text, and follow the same procedure. So remember, highlight it, right click, remove hyperlink, go to insert at the top, go to shapes, choose a rectangle here, draw the rectangle over your link or your old link. At the top under shape format, choose no fill under shape fill, shape outline, choose no shape outline, then click on the rectangle again, right click, link, then go choose slide 3, click OK. So that's the way to do it on this hyperlink. So there you go, and do the same, follow the procedure for there as well. So that's a quick and easy video showing you A, how to add a hyperlink, B, how to change the color of the hyperlink, C, how to remove the underline of the hyperlink as well. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.